Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email on Moodle account. If you are looking for a way to change your email address on Moodle, go ahead and open up a web browser first. Type in moodle.org in the URL box and search. After you are logged into your Moodle account's homepage, click on your profile avatar at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Profile. Inside your Profile section, click on this Edit Profile button under User Details. Go ahead and get to the email option and erase your current email and type in a new one. After you do that, scroll down and click on Update Profile. After you do that, go ahead and open up your emails inbox. Make sure to open up the new email inbox and then follow through the instructions. You will be receiving a verification email link. Simply click on that in order to change your email for Moodle. And within a few minutes, you will be able to change your email address quick and easy. That is how you can easily change your email address on Moodle. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.